I wanted to find the perfect gift for my nephew, something fun, interactive, ready to go right out of the box. And this little car carrier truck with a foldable racetrack was the ideal choice. Now, I've already added all of these stickers beforehand so that when he opens it, he can actually jump straight into playtime without the hassle of having to find mom and dad to apply these. There is some minor assembly required. You will have to attach the very cab of the truck to the back of the truck. The foldable track is actually a standout feature on this truck. It stretches out to nearly 3 feet and it creates a very exciting setup for races. Plus, it folds away just as easily for quick storage. On the racetrack, there's also dual launchers. So whether you are racing two cars against one another or you and your brother want to race cars against each other, then you can actually do that just by using this one toy. This truck is also a fantastic storage solution because it'll hold up to 16 die-cast cars.